Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative, and in this week's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can close the Divi mobile menu by clicking outside of the drop down area. So when you click the open the hamburger menu icon and the menu comes down, if you're viewing on your phone or some other mobile device, you may tend to want to click outside of the area to close it, thinking that because in other apps, different software, you can do that. Well, you can't do that in Divi. You would have to actually go back and click the hamburger icon again to close it. And I've heard from multiple people that they would like this as a feature request in our plugin. The Divi Responsive Helper has a lot of menu settings. So we thought we'll do it today as a tutorial, and then we'll add it to the plugin as well. Let's take a look at what I mean here. You can see here in the screenshot that there's the menu, and then you can click outside. In fact, you could click down below it or above it or beside it, and it will close. And this will actually work for both if you're using the default header, the default menu in the header with the customizer, which is getting old and outdated. But if you're using that, then you would use this one right here, default header menu, this code here. And if you're using the theme builder with the menu module, you would use this one here. So I have the snippet here for both use cases. And here I have instructions where to add it. You would add the code in the theme options or in your child theme. So let's go ahead and do this. In fact, I'm not sure which one I'll use for my demo. I guess both. Well, you don't want to use both. You'd use one or the other. But yeah, okay, I'll use the menu module because we should all be using that by now anyhow. So I'm going to copy that. So here I have a demo website and page set up. Here I have a menu, and if I were to view this on the mobile, you can see that I have a drop-down menu right there. So what I'm going to do is add the code in my theme options. Go now to the back end of the website and click on Divi theme options. This is the easiest and just the easiest place to add it. If you go over here to the integration tab, click on there, this top section. If you have code in there, just scroll down to the bottom, that's fine, and paste the code there. So all we did was copy the snippet from the blog post and put it right here on our website in the add code to your head section, the integration tab. Save those changes. And again, this is for the menu module, but you could also do it for the other header, but I'll just refresh the page. It's going to be a little hard to show you this demo because we're not using a mobile device. It'd be hard to record my screen, but we'll just go ahead and hopefully the inspector works. It does. If you can see, I'm clicking. Yep, anywhere, basically even over here on the side, on all sides it works. All right, that is it. It's going to be that simple this week. Like I said, we are going to add this snippet as a setting in our Divi Responsive Helper. If you're not familiar with the plugin, it's just a toolkit full of a ton of features and settings that help make your website responsive. Just lots and lots of features. And the reason I'm talking about it in this tutorial is because we have a lot of them related to the menu. In fact, you can actually see right here in this screenshot, show a hamburger menu, show an icon, X icon, show text beside the hamburger icon, collapse the mobile menu submenus, and there's changing the breakpoint, and there's a whole bunch of other settings, but those specifically about the menu might be worth checking out. But like I said, we're going to add it to there. All right, well, that's it for this week. We do this every single week here on the blog and on YouTube. So you can subscribe, and that's what you'll get, a lot of Divi related content and tutorials. So enjoy, and we'll see you all in the next video.